GM everyone, hope everyone's good. Just a very quick video from me. I'm actually just in the airport, about to catch a flight, bit of island hopping. So just a very quick, super quick update, because I'm quite happy this morning, because something I've been speaking about for ages. AVAX has finally gone through that $30, which has been a bit of resistance it's been banging its head against. Bitcoin's made an all-time high, lots of green across the board in the AVAX ecosystem. So hopefully things are hotting up and we can now push on past that $30 and keep on pushing up, because who knows where we could end up after that. I'll do a bit more of a detailed video on it on the weekly update, but yeah, good news to see this morning. So yeah, peace out and goodbye.